Guys, and welcome to another review. Today I want to show you my new purchase that I made. What you have right here is the Motorola E7 Plus. This is the box. I bought it today. This is bought it second hand, by the way. Was previously used, but since I have found a bargain, I decided to upgrade my smartphone, because the one I use and shooting my videos is very outdated, and I decided to make an upgrade. So let's see what you have in the box. So we have the nomenclature right here, the manual, user manual for the Moto E7 Plus. Another manual guide. It's made in Russian, I think. And the key that you can move the tray SIM, so you can install the service for this phone, like the Orange or the GSM SIM card. This one is used. As you can see, the quality is quite poor. It's made by one piece. Anyway, it's very cheap one, you can see. And inside, in the box, we also find the charger. This one here is micro USB instead of the Type C USB. This one it doesn't charge the smartphone as fast charge compared to the other models that Motorola made. Let's put this aside, and the other is the cable. Okay. The owner used this phone and probably also the accessories, but they both look in very good condition. And this way, and this is the box. So yeah, there's nothing inside anymore. Let's put this aside. And what we have right here is another box. Pardon. There's a box that actually he was containing the cover, the plastic cover for the phone itself. He came with this skin series that is here for the protection of the smartphone itself. Yeah. As you can see, we have the Moto G9 and the E Plus. So if you somehow having the G9 Play, you can also use this cover for your smartphone to avoid scratches and all of that. Yeah. And now I'm going to show you the phone itself. I already packed the phone inside and also installed the protection cover. What I can tell you about this, I'm going to talk a bit about the specs that are here in the box. So on the back we have the 48 megapixel, the camera system, plus night vision. It has the 5000 milliampere the battery. It has 4 gigs of RAM, and the processor is the Octa-core processor, Snapdragon or something, and this one here come with 64 gigabytes of storage, and as you can see, the color for the phone is blue. Yeah, this is how she looks like. Anyway, Now moving to the phone, as you can see, this cover case I put it in my hand. It also has right here. There is a cutoff, so you can put it here the card that you need for banking card or something, and yeah. And right here it has another sticker like Dutchess. I'm not sure what exactly means. And he also the owner that he previously had this phone, he also installed the protective screen, as you can see right here. From what he told me, this is not the original ones for the Motorola, but is made by silicone, and it doesn't cover the entire edges of the screen, but as you can see, it's fairly decent. And yeah, this is how it looks like. And on the back, I'm going to show you on the back. This is it has three cameras, one in the front and two cameras right here. It has the 40 megapixel. You also have we also have the blitz and the LED for when you try to shoot in dark environment and all of that. And right here in the middle there is the fingerprint. You can use it for the unlocking the phone. So let's try and do that right now. Okay, and I believe that is my right fingerprint, because I already, so we can unlock the phone. So if I'm pressing here, as you can see, the phone is unlocked, fully unlocked. And we're going to focus right here. How this thing, let's increase the brightness for the phone and see what kind of feature that it has. Let's go to the display. No, I believe that's not. Let's go to the brightness once again and increase the brightness almost to the maximum. Yeah. Let's go to the about the phone. This one here came with the Android 10, so it's a good thing that it has the Android 10 on it. This is a big plus for the Android 10. See? And if you okay, backwards. So it has the Android 10 installed, as you can see right here. We can play with the numbers right here. Okay, so the owner, it looks like they use the waist for the car. He also has a game right here, the Angry Birds 2, the Play box, books, pardon, and the WhatsApp application. The phone is working very nicely, to be honest. It's just is very fluid compared to what I have and what I previously used. This is a big, for me, is a major upgrade, because I never had the chance to use this very good smartphone, and all the apps just running very nicely. What can I tell you more? It has the buttons right here. It has the power button, the one that is smaller, and the other two for the volume up, volume down, and right here is for the Google Assistant. Okay, so right here there are no buttons. There also there is the here is the draw for the pardon, the drawer for the SIM. There you can remove and install the SIM that is needed for you to use. So yeah, this is how. And right here in the back, down, pardon, we have the headset jack and just one speaker. It doesn't have the stereo speaker, as you can see right here. So, but there is not a problem because the phone is just working properly. It doesn't have any issues, and I'm going to make a demonstration how the I do apologize for the shaking and all of that. And if you want to choose to go to the open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Okay, so let's try.
Distracție în orice formă.
Let's put it in landscape. It's pretty loud compared to right now. So this is how the phone looks like. I can tell you that the application and all the browsing are working flawlessly. And since we have the very strong processor, the application will not slow down all the time. I'm very happy that I have this smartphone. My intention is to use for all my videos that is required to film everything, the components and the testing that I make, that I will be making, pardon. And yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, I'll be answering you all the time. Thank you. Bye.